So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can mute camera click sound on an MI phone. Also referred to as the shutter noise, we look at how this can be muted when we are using an MI phone. Now let me explain to you this thing with an example. Here I have opened the camera and here I tap on this. You can see that there is a distinct click sound when I am taking pictures. Now, if you don't want this to happen, there are certain ways of doing this. One is that you download a third-party application from the Play Store. Another very simple way of doing this is by simply using the mute icon here. So you can put your phone to mute. I'll just put my phone to mute. So this is the phone has been put on silent mode right now. Now I go towards my camera and I take pictures. And you can see there is no sounds coming. Now you may be wondering, why is this useful? Sometimes it's quite possible that you are in a quiet environment and you want to take pictures without the camera shutter sound. In those cases, this can be pretty helpful. I personally found this useful when I was taking pictures of my baby when he was sleeping. I didn't want to wake him up, and I thought maybe if I can use the camera without having the camera shutter sound, that can be pretty helpful. So guys, this is one very quick way of doing this. You also have third-party applications which help you do this. In certain phones like MI, sometimes it's also possible using settings. Inside settings, if you scroll down, you will see that there is this option of shutter sound. You can mute this from here itself. Now also what will happen is, like, if you take pictures, there will be no sound coming. I mean, you can simply bring back this thing and still, like, because you are using the shutter sound feature, there won't be any sound. So go ahead and use what suits you best. But if you are using any phone, you can put the phone on silent mode and you can see that the phone will not make any shutter sound. Guys, if you like today's tutorial, please consider subscribing to us. Please share this with your friends and family. Also, do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. Like, subscribe and share. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.